We had started with the comprehension member in the last lecture, and we had up till where we had done. I think we had completed all the basic things, as well as I had showed you where is the formula situated in the IS codes. Now we'll start with the sum. So here there is one sum based upon the comprehension member. So in this particular sum, they have given you the Indian standard angle, that is ISC 150 by 115 by 12 mm is connected to a 10 mm is connected to a 12 mm gusset plate as shown in figure. So in this particular sum, they have given you the Indian standard angle, that is ISA of the size 150 by 115 by 12 mm, and they have given you the gusset plate. See here there is the angle section. This is the angle section and this is the gusset plate. ये एंगल सेक्शन को एक गसेट प्लेट कनेक्टेड है and the thickness of the gusset plate is 12 mm. As well as they have used M18 bolts of grade. The diameter of the bolts is being used is 18 mm और ग्रेड कौन सा यूज किया है उन्होंने 4.6. And they have told you to design the capacity of the section in the compression. You have to design the capacity of the section in compression. It means that you need to calculate the compressive strength. So just note down the question and draw the diagram. After completing, let me know so that we can proceed with the solution. After completing the question, let me know. Yes, completed. After completing, let me know. Here the middle bolt के दोनों bolt के बीच का जो distance है that is 60 and ऊपर का distance is 45 and here there is 45. Total comes up to be 150. As you can see, this is your angle section. Middle one जो है वो है आपका angle section और ये जो बाहर से जो एक plate है that is nothing but the gusset plate. After completing, let me know. Yes, done. Okay. All the others are also completed. Okay. So we'll start with the solution. First of all, you need to assume the length of the member as 2.5 meter and you have to assume that hitch condition is this. So for this, you will check the width to thickness ratio. So for checking the width to thickness ratio, first of all, there is B by T. B is nothing but the width of the outstanding leg. So width is given to you, that is 115 of the angle section. The width is given to you 115 and the thickness of the angle section is given to you, that is 12. Thickness कितनी दी है यहाँ पे 12 and the width is 115. So just substitute the value. The value comes up to be 9.58 as it is less than 15.7 epsilon. Now what is epsilon? Epsilon, the formula to calculate epsilon is under root of 250 by Fy. अभी Fy क्या है? Fi is nothing but the yield stress. Now, what is yield stress? As I have told you, you have to assume the value of yield stress if it is not given in the question as 250. So, here we had assumed the value of yield stress, that is Fi as 250. So, epsilon की value कितनी हो जाएगी? Square root of 250 by 250, that is 1. Then the next check you have to do is d by t. D is nothing but the depth. Depth of the angle section is given to you, that is 150 in the question. उन्होंने ISA इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड एंगल आपको दिया है 150 by 115 by 12. So thickness आपकी उसमें से हुई 12. After calculating, you are going to get the value as 12.5. Again, it is less than or equal to 15.7 epsilon. So here also your design is safe. Then the next check is B plus D by T. So B is 115, D is 150 by T, thickness is 12. So value comes up to be 22.08. It is less than 25 epsilon. So here all the values are going to be satisfied. So your member is semi-compact and your member is semi-compact in section. अगर सब values अगर satisfy हो रही है तो your member is semi-compact. So solve up till here, and if anyone is having any of the query, you can ask. I hope everyone understood up till here. Which one? This B plus D by T. The thing you need to, yes, that I will explain you. A is nothing but the effective area. So whenever जब भी आपका section अगर semi compact रहता है तो A effective area आप क्या consider करते हो? Gross area. Now what is gross area? आपका जो ISA है Indian Standard Angle. So ISA आपका 150 by 115 by 12 है. तो AG की वैल्यू आपको स्टील टेबल पे से लेना पड़ेगा. So from steel table you are going to take the value of AG, that is gross area for ISA 150 by 115 by 12. तो AG की वैल्यू आपको स्टील टेबल पे से मिलेगी, that is 3038 mm square. So whenever the section is semi compact, gross area will be equals to the effective area. So effective area over here will be 3038 mm square. So complete up till here. I hope you understood, Abdullah. Okay. Okay, you're most welcome. Okay, everyone had completed up till here. Should I proceed further? Yes, the value of A, and that is not AS, that is AG. AG is nothing but the gross area. जो आप ग्रॉस एरिया टेंसाइल मेंबर जब कैलकुलेट करते थे तब भी आप ग्रॉस एरिया कंसिडर करते थे. सेम ग्रॉस एरिया हियर आल्सो यू हैव टू कंसिडर. सो वो आपको आईएसए जो आपका स्टील टेबल दिया, जो आपका इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड एंगल क्वेश्चन में दिया है, सेम दैट यू हैव टू टेक, एंड उसमें से आपको एजी की वैल्यू मिलेगी फ्रॉम द स्टील टेबल. Okay, done up till here. Up till here. Should I proceed further? Now you need to calculate lambda I. Lambda I क्या है? Lambda is nothing but the slenderness ratio. Again, when I have explained you the formulas, I have told you where is the lambda is situated in your IS 800 2007. So it is on the page number 48. So lambda I in the formula to calculate lambda I is under root of k1 plus k2 into lambda vv square plus k3 into lambda phi square. It is on the page number 48 of your IS 800 2007. So just note down this formula and after completing let me know. Yes, any doubt? Okay, done. Yes, done up till here. Okay. Now for each condition, the number of volts is greater than or equals to 2. So उसमें से आप K1 लोगे 0.7, K2 will be 0.6 and K3 will be 0.5. This all you will get from the page number 48, table number 12 from your IS 800 2007. Now, formula to calculate lambda VV will be equals to L upon RVV epsilon under root of pi square E upon 250. So substitute all the values and calculate the value of lambda VV. It should be 1.15. Then calculate lambda phi, that is B1 plus B2 upon 2T epsilon under root of pi square E upon 250. यहाँ पे epsilon की value 1 substitute करोगे और pi square E की value you have to pi square and E की value you have to substitute 2 into 10 raised to power 5. After completing, let me know. RVV again you will get from the steel table. Why did we take the condition as greater than or equals to? We had assumed this condition. It depends upon us that whichever what condition we have to assume. So we had assumed the condition that is greater than 2. Now, if anyone is having the steel table, they will let me know the value for the RVV. That is the radius. 1.58. The value of RVB is 1.58, that is the radius. Okay, done up till here. Should I proceed further? I hope everyone had completed up till here. Yes, done. Yes, L. Now here the length is not given to you. Length of the gusset plate is not given to you. So the length of the member you have taken. See, very first sentence जब आपने problem solve करना start किया था, तब आपने क्या लिखा था? Assuming the length of member as 2.5 meter. So here also you have to take the value of L as 2.5 meters. So L यहाँ पे आप कितना लोगे? 2.5 meter. So here L you have to take it in mm. So 2500 you have to consider the value for L. If it is given in the problem, then you have to take that value. But here it is not given, so you have to assume the value of length of the member as 2.5 meters. देखो सॉल्व करके आपको लैम्बडा वी 1.15 मिलता है या नहीं. Yes, all of you had got the value for lambda VV, that is 1.15. Is completed. हो गया यहाँ तक के? RVV कितना सब्स्टिट्यूट किया रीम? How much RVV you had substitute over there? Yes, 1.58. Then pi square E की value 2 into 10 raised to power 5 and epsilon value is 1. Yes, see, so how much you are getting the answer? L is 2.00, then R then epsilon is 1, E is 2 into 10 to the power 5 upon. Okay. Okay, so whatever answer you are getting, just use that answer only for further calculations.
Ma'am,
Currently,
the whole pi square into E value has to be taken as 2 into 10 raised to pi.
yes, 2 into 10 raised to power 5. RVV, see in the steel table, what is the value of RVV? Currently, I am not having the steel table. So, देखो
मैम पाई
ratio
स्क्वायर की वैल्यू अलग लेनी है क्या?
पाई स्क्वायर की वैल्यू, हाँ पाई स्क्वायर की वैल्यू अलग लेनी है और ई की वैल्यू आपको 2 into 10 raised to power 5 लेना है.
अच्छा, वेट सर,
RVV,
वेट मैम.
Abdullah is saying RVV is 2.44.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, I had read your message.
I'm ma'am, this thing I'm getting 11.5, not 1.
So lambda VV will be 11.5. Then lambda phi, that will be V1 plus V2 upon 2t upon epsilon under root of pi square E upon 250. Now substitute the values of B1 and B2 upon 2t epsilon again 1 pi square to E की value 2 into 10 raised to power 5 upon 250. So calculate lambda phi.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay, you had got the answer for lambda phi. Okay. Now you have to calculate the lambda E, that is the slenderness ratio. So just substitute all the values that just now you had calculated and calculate the value for the lambda E, that is the slenderness ratio. Lambda phi just now you had calculated, na lambda phi. Lambda phi you had got that is 0.124. After calculating lambda I, let me know so that we can proceed further. Okay, done. Everyone had got the value for lambda I. Your value will be slightly different because आपको lambda VV जो मिला है that is 11.5. Yes, everyone had got this value that is 8.98. So after that you need to calculate FCD.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
can you please again show lambda phi?
yeah, I will show you.
Because I'm not getting the answer.
Yes, I will show you. ये देखो अभी जस्ट आपने कैलकुलेट किया है ना 0.124.
Okay, so just a second, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, done. Should I proceed further? Yes, Abdullah, you got the answer. So now calculation of FCD. So for calculation of FCD, you are having the formula that is Fy upon gamma m0 upon phi plus in bracket phi square minus lambda square raised to the power 0.5. उसके लिए आपको सबसे पहले phi calculate करना पड़ेगा. Again for calculation of phi, you are having the formula that is 0.5 into 1 plus alpha in bracket lambda minus 0.2 plus lambda square. अभी अल्फा की वैल्यू आपको कहाँ से मिलेगी? We will get the value for alpha from page number 35 and page number 44. See your page number 35 and page number 44 of your IS 800 2007. Alpha is nothing but the imperfection factor. So हम class C consider कर रहे हैं. So for class C, the value for alpha that is imperfection factor, we are going to consider it as 0.49. So substitute the value of alpha in the formula for phi as well as substitute the value for lambda. You need then calculate the value for phi, and after calculation of phi, calculate FCD. After completing, let okay. After calculation of FCD, let me know so that we can proceed further.
Ma'am,
Huh?
value of alpha is 0.49, but
Yes.
it is written here as lambda is also 0.49.
लैम्बडा इज नॉट 0.49 ना, लैम्बडा की वैल्यू जो आपको मिली है वो कंसिडर करना है. आपको कितनी वैल्यू मिली है लैम्बडा की? Whatever the value you had got of the lambda that you have to consider over here. आपको कितनी वैल्यू मिली है स्लेंडरनेस रेशियो की लैम्बडा की? यस रीम, कितनी वैल्यू मिली है लैम्बडा की? वो वैल्यू कंसिडर करना है वहां पे.
Lambda is 1.25.
हाँ, तो 1.25 you have to substitute in place of lambda.
Acha, but it is here written as
No,
0.49.
no. You have to substitute 1 point whatever the you had got. Because आपका वो
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yes,
So,
Fy is 250. Now you need to calculate FCD. FCD calculate करने के लिए Fy कितना है? 250. Gamma M0 is nothing but the partial safety factor जो आपको मिलता है 1.10. Phi 1.54. Again phi 1.54 and lambda is 1.25. So just substitute all the values to calculate FCD and calculate the value of FCD. And after calculation of FCD, according to the IS code, FCD should not be less than or equals to Fy upon gamma M0. अभी Fy कितना है? 250 और gamma M0 कितना है? 1.10. उस पे से FCD की वैल्यू आपको मिलती है 227.27 मेगा पास्कल. बट दोनों FCD में से जो भी वैल्यू कम रहेगी, that value you have to consider for the design. So अभी दोनों में से this value is smaller, that is 93.37. So you have to consider this one. So PD के लिए, for calculation of PD, now what is the formula to calculate PD? Yes, anyone remember? PD A into FCD. A is nothing but the effective area. So effective area आपको कितना मिला था? Effective area आपको मिला था 30.38. So 30.38 effective area into FCD, that is 93.37. तो उसमें से PD आपको मिलता है 283.65 किलो न्यूटन. So just take a screenshot because if you are not completed, because we are having last 2 minutes, and those who are not given the attendance, give your attendance in the chat box. And if you are having any of the doubts, you can ask. This FCD कितना मिला? रीम, अब्दुल्ला.
I'm still calculating.
Okay. So we are having less than a minute. You can take a screenshot. We are having less than a minute, so you can take a screenshot and you can solve it later. FCD मिला सबको? Yes, Abdullah, did you got the value for FCD?
It's 93.16.
Okay. Now
I'm
calculate
just
PD.
checking.
Okay, okay. You can take a screenshot.